Hey guys, how's it going? First thing I want to say is I'm actually really sorry that I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It has just been crazy. Second thing I want to say is happy super late Thanksgiving. And the reason why I didn't upload the first week and a half or so is because I actually was out of the country. I went to Mexico to visit my family, and I had a blast over there. And there's actually a few videos that I want to show you, and I'll show them a little bit later on. I want to show you a little bit of where I came from, and I love that place. I love being over there, but I'm also so glad to be back home, my house and my garage. And I am gonna have a little bit of an update on the truck here towards the end of the video. And the third and final thing, and maybe one of the most important things that I'm gonna say, is thank you so much. We made it to 1,000, and I can't believe it. This is like our first major milestone. It's only 1,000. It's a small number, but I couldn't be any happier. I am so excited. But yeah, basically what all this video is gonna be is just showing you kind of what I did over my Thanksgiving weekend. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'm gonna have a small update on the truck, which I know you guys are really gonna like. Trust me, I'm so super excited over it. And also another thing that I did is, check it out. I sort of cleaned the garage because this place looked like it got hit by a tornado. It was a mess. And these are all the boxes that I actually still gotta tear apart and throw in the trash. And I have one more thing right here. I found this is another 6.7 bumper, and you might be thinking, you already have a 6.7 bumper, why do you want another one? Well, this one's actually it's from a platinum truck, so it's actually painted, not chrome like the one that I have. And my plans for the truck are going to be to completely color match it. So the bumpers are going to be color matched, and basically, well, a few other things. But painted bumpers are actually a lot easier to repaint than chrome, because chrome, you gotta try and get the chrome rough so that the paint actually sticks to it. So having bumpers that are already painted, you don't have to deal with that chrome. So that's why I picked that thing up. And another really cool thing that I picked up with them is these tow hooks. Now, I still don't know how I'm gonna make them work on the truck, but I really want to have tow hooks on the truck because I think they look really cool. So, and I actually got a pretty good deal on this thing. I did get the rear bumper with it too, because it was kind of like a package deal, take all or none. And I just couldn't pass it up for the price. Yeah, anyways, let's just get to it. Let's jump to Mexico. Oh, another thing that I'm actually pretty disappointed in is that I drove in Mexico quite a bit, and I was expecting to find all kinds of emissions stuff that apparently all these people go to Mexico and their emission stuff falls off over there. And I didn't find all that many. So anyways, yeah. Hope you liked the video. It's way different than anything I've done before. And also, there's also another thing that I want to show you. I found this dent slide over there. I think it was a 79 or 78, can't remember. And I was thinking, how cool would it be to go on a road trip down to Mexico, get that thing running, and bring it back over here, kind of like roadkill style. But anyways, hopefully you stay long enough so you can see that part. That truck's actually pretty cool. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. We are in Mexico right now. And this is the town where I grew up. Well, I didn't really grow up here, but I was like maybe 5 years old when we moved out of here. But this has been my dad's land. This is where they're from, and I want to show you a little bit of it. So anyways, let's go check it out. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you is the first house that I lived in. And it's a little small. That's because my dad tore down half of it. But even then, it was still small. So basically, this is where I spent the first 4 or 5 years of my life, in this little house. And like I said, they used to be bigger. My dad tore down more than half of it. And right now it's basically just like a little storage shed that they have now. But most of my first memories were right here. And I really like it. I love it. I actually miss being here. I love being here. It's so relaxing, and it's nice just getting away from cell phones and internet and YouTube and Wi-Fi and all that stuff, and just hanging out with my family. It's freaking awesome. But another thing that I want to show you is my dad's work truck. And I know a lot of you aren't gonna like it. It's actually a Chevy, and I've been trying to get him to switch over to an OBS for the longest time, and hopefully one of the next projects on the channel will be building an OBS for him. But this is what this is his ranch truck. So it's about I think it's a 04, 05 Chevy 2500 with the 6.0 engine, and this thing gets worked hard out here. I think it's 2-wheel drive, and I mean it runs good and all, but we all know then that a 7.3 OBS would be way better than this. Now, for you guys that might be wondering what this is all about, he is a cattle rancher. So what he does is when his cows have calves, you know, baby cows, he will load them on here and take them to get sold, and that's how he makes money out of this place. What else can I show you? There's so much to show you, but that is their current house that they just built, and all the way over there and past that is his land. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of it running around in on an ATV. You ready? You're driving? Oh boy.
You open it?
Yeah. Hold this.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. So this is one of my favorite spots, and it's got one of the coolest views. You get to see pretty much everything that there is around here, and it's I don't know, to me it's beautiful. I love it. I love this place, and wouldn't it be cool to have like a little cabin up here to come spend time, you know, whenever you want to get away from everything. Like I said, there's no cell phone signal here, there's no Wi-Fi, and it's amazing. I love it here, and I would love to have like a cabin, like somewhere like up there somewhere, or maybe like right here, and just have this view all to myself.
Over there?
Yeah.
Over there?
Back.
Looks a little out of shape, but check it out. It would be your moment right now. I bet $1,000 that you'll make this thing into a beauty.
Talk about a barn find F100 actually.
It's one of those barn finds from Forza.
Yeah. So this thing's actually pretty nice. It's about a 98, 99 F100 Ranger, and it's actually in really good shape. But it doesn't run. But how cool would it be to get this thing running back on the road and take it back to the state? But it's actually really nice. The body, everything is in really good shape. It's just like any other barn find that we need a little bit of work. How cool would it be throwing Cummins under this thing? Yeah, like pretty much this door is the only thing that's in bad shape that would either fix it or get a new door. Can't really see any rust on it or anything. So we'll hope to come and work on this thing right here and get it back running and take it back to the States. Kind of do a little bit of some roadkill action right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we fix this thing and take it back? Okay guys, so that was it. That was my trip to Mexico. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But anyways, now I'm gonna leave you with this. And before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you for the next one.